Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you here as always. Today, we're diving into the best crypto strategies for beginners. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, this video is for you. Cryptocurrency can be a fantastic opportunity to build wealth, but it can also feel like a complicated and risky world to navigate. That's why in this video we're going to break down everything step by step, so you can approach the market with confidence. Before you even think about buying your first fraction of a Bitcoin or putting money into Ethereum, you absolutely have to understand what you're investing in. Would you buy a house without knowing how much it costs, where it is, or even seeing pictures of it? Of course not. The same goes for crypto. Take the time to research different cryptocurrencies, understand their purpose, and learn about their team and technology. There are literally thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there, and they're not all created equal. Just like with real estate or the stock market, some projects are much riskier than others, and some have the potential to be the next Apple or Amazon. Don't fall for hype or get caught up in the fear of missing out. A lot of people just chase whatever their favorite influencer is talking about without doing their own research, and that's a recipe for disaster. Do your homework, and only invest in projects that you truly understand and believe in. One of the biggest mistakes new crypto investors make is going all in on their first trade. It's really easy to get caught up in the excitement and think that you need to invest thousands of dollars to see any real returns. But trust me, that's a recipe for disaster. It's really no different than someone going to a casino and putting their entire life savings on red at the roulette table. Start by investing a small amount that you're comfortable losing. Remember, the crypto market is incredibly volatile. And in the beginning, it's more about learning than getting rich quickly. Think of it like taking a college course. You're paying tuition to learn, and that tuition is your initial investment. As you gain experience and understanding, you can gradually increase your investment over time. This approach will help you manage your risk and avoid potentially devastating losses. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," and that rings especially true in the world of crypto. Just like you wouldn't invest all of your money in a single stock, you shouldn't put all your crypto into one cryptocurrency. Diversifying your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate your risk. That means spreading your investments across different crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe some small coins, or even things like decentralized finance protocols. The idea here is that if one cryptocurrency goes down, the others can help cushion the blow. The cryptocurrency market moves fast, really fast. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay updated with the latest market trends. Remember when I said this is like a college course? Well, the learning never stops. Follow reputable crypto news sources, join online communities, and listen to podcasts to stay informed about new developments, regulations, and market sentiment. By staying informed, you can make more informed investment decisions and potentially capitalize on emerging opportunities. But just like with any other investment, don't let your emotions get the best of you. Just because everyone else is buying or selling something doesn't mean you have to. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional finance, if someone gains access to your crypto wallet, there's a good chance your money is gone forever. That's why choosing a secure wallet and understanding basic security measures is non-negotiable. Think of it like protecting the keys to your house. You wouldn't just leave them out in the open for anyone to grab, right? The same goes for your crypto. Hardware wallets, which store your private keys offline, offer the highest level of security. But even if you're just using a software wallet on your phone or computer, make sure to use strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. And whatever you do, don't go sharing your seed phrase with anyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and strategies on cryptocurrency. Remember, cryptocurrency can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and caution. Start small, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these simple steps, you can set yourself up for success in the exciting world of crypto. Happy investing!